Sufficient definition, sufficient in a sentence, sufficient pronunciation, sufficient meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of sufficient. Sufficient. Su-ffi-cient. Sufficient. Sufficient as an adjective means enough or adequate. Common usages in academic writing: sufficient funding, a sufficient amount, sufficient time. Example sentences: sufficient, adjective. We determined that the sufficient amount of food per month for the species was around 2 kilograms of small fish. Example sentence number 2, our project came to a halt due to insufficient funds. The common academic writing variation is sufficiently, adverb. The construction team had to build their lanes sufficiently wide enough to carry semi-trailers. Please write a sentence using sufficient in the comment section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of sufficient, the meaning of sufficient, and sufficient example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.